How to add GPS coordinates to your pictures and your videos using an Android phone. So start the default camera application. Come here to the upper left corner to the wheel. Tap on the wheel. Go to the bottom of the list and here you have location tags. Add tags to your pictures and videos so you can see where they were taken. So it can add it to both of them. Tap on location tags to enable it. Turn on improve location accuracy. Turn it on. And you also have to turn on the location of the phone. So if I tap on this turn on, then that location will be enabled. So turn on. The location is enabled. And now you can record a video or go to a photo and take a photo. Okay, and after that, on a computer, open one of those photos. Currently I'm opening it with Fastone Image Viewer, and this program, if I move my mouse to the right side, notice a window appears, and down here at EXIF we have GPS, and there are the coordinates, the longitude and the latitude. Plus you can open it in Google Maps, Google Earth and in OpenStreetMap. So I clicked on the first one. The picture was taken in that location and it's showing the GPS coordinates in two different ways. This one and that one is the same address. So that's where that picture was taken. The GPS coordinates are visible in Windows also by right-clicking on it. Going here to Properties, Details, and here we have a section called GPS, and here is the latitude and longitude. This is a longer version. I don't prefer this one, I prefer the shorter one, which is shown here. Okay, for videos, here's a video. This is opening using KM Player. Let's pause it. Now in this program you can right click on it, come here to Properties, Media Info, and here it has an X, Y and Z, and there is the GPS coordinate. Of course you cannot use it exactly in this manner. I left out the plus and that slash. Let's just copy that address, GPS coordinate, and if I paste it in here, I have to modify that plus and type instead a comma and delete that 0 also. So two numbers, dot, four numbers and another identical group of numbers delimited by the comma, 20 dot and four numbers. And in this way, if I press search, we can see that that video was recorded in that portion of the world. The ship was going from here, that direction, and I captured the video there. If you install another program, let's search for K-Lite, K-Lite Codec pack, download. Let's get the standard version, download standard, choose a server and run it. Just click the next button, don't change anything. Click finish, just ignore that window. Now if I open it with Media Player Classic Home Cinema, pause it, right click on the video, Properties, also Media Info and the same thing, X, Y, Z, and there are the coordinates. Don't forget to delete that plus and the first 0. So that's how to find the coordinates in photos and videos captured by your Samsung phone.